This is former President Cory Aquino's painting entitled Please Help Me. It was given to actress Ai Ai Delas Alas, who used to be a close friend of Cory's youngest daughter, Kris. Now, it is up for auction as part of Leon Gallery's Kingly Treasures. In an interview with Pep, Delas Alas said she wasn't the one who brought it to the gallery for auction. But Bert asked for her consent. The actress told Bert to donate part of the proceeds to the victims of typhoons Rolly and Ulysses, which he agreed.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.